In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion Calendar into your Notion setup. If you want a more organized workspace and a better way to see your schedule alongside your projects, this setup can be really useful. Notion Calendar works as a separate app, but it also connects with your Notion workspace so you can bring your database items into a calendar view and even place that calendar inside a Notion page for a more centralized dashboard. To get started, open the Notion Calendar app. You can do this either on the desktop version or in your web browser, depending on how you prefer to work. Once the app is open, head to Settings in the Settings area. Look for the section labeled Notion Workspaces. From there, click Add Notion Workspace and go through the authorization process to allow access. This step is what connects your Notion workspace to Notion Calendar, so make sure you complete it fully before moving on. Next, you'll link your Notion databases. One important thing to know here is that only databases that already have a calendar view or a timeline view can be added to Notion Calendar. If a database doesn't have one of those views, it won't appear as an option. In the left sidebar of Notion Calendar, click the plus button next to Notion Databases. Then search for the specific database you want to display and select it. Once connected, the items from that database will appear in your calendar sidebar and in the main calendar grid alongside your other schedules. This makes it much easier to see deadlines, events, and project timelines all in one place. After that, you can embed Notion Calendar inside Notion if you want everything accessible from a single dashboard. Keep in mind that Notion Calendar is mainly designed as a standalone app, so embedding it is more about convenience than replacing the full app experience. To do this, open your Notion Calendar in a web browser and copy its URL. Then go to the Notion page where you want the calendar to appear, type /embed and paste the URL. If prompted, log in so the embedded calendar can authenticate properly on the page. That's all it takes to integrate Notion Calendar into your Notion setup. Once everything is connected, you'll have a much smoother way to manage tasks, timelines, and schedules from one organized system. Thanks for watching.